What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. Today I will show you some details of the world's fastest 1/8 gear cars. Now before that, thanks for most of people, congratulations, and few haters, they even didn't believe it. No matter, I will show you the details. Now this is the Skyrc's 015 software. When you connected your GPS to your PC, you can read. You can see this is the details. But unfortunately, this GPS data is not perfect with the beam maps. But when I imported it to the Google Earth Pro, here you can see Google Earth Pro, the position is correctly. Now here you can see this picture is picked in 2018, 2 years ago. Now here you can see this is a overpass. Yes, this is overpass, and my friend Frank, he ran his cars under the concrete bridge. Okay, some haters said, "Oh no, the GPS can't through the concrete." So if you have some GPS, Skyrc GPS, just like the 015 or 020, you can test it. When you put it under the concrete bridge, only one bridge, it still have the satellite signals, and so strong enough for the Skyrc's 020. Now let's go back to the Skyrc softwares. So his run should be here. No matter. Let's see the details. Now here you can see he stand here. Look at the times 3 a.m. 15. So he always run the cars in 3 a.m. So why? Because in China, in our country, there's a lot of cars, a traffic jam. So if we want make speed runs, we should go far away, or we should search for the good roads, just like this, a long crossover, a long overpass way, sorry. So when he run in 3 a.m., there's fewer people, fewer cars. So you see he run his cars to here and make a turn. Now he begins to run. Let's see the time. 3 a.m. 45 seconds. Now this time is 12 kilometers per hour. I can't find the zero. Sorry, this is the biggest. Oh, okay, this is a zero. 3 a.m. 14 minutes 32 seconds. Oh no, it's not. Now let's just set the 5 kilograms per hour. 45 seconds, 46 seconds, 47. Now by the way, you can see here 10 hertz, 60, 80. Now look at when he run When he hit 100 kilometers per hour, he used about 5 seconds. Now this is 50. Let's see this. When he hit 200 kilometers per hour, this is 55 seconds. He used next 5 seconds from 100 to 200. Now when the car cross his position, the speed is 252, and use next 6 seconds, another 6 seconds. Now let's see. I see. Here you can see the 260, 262, 268, 68, 270. Sorry, this is a backline. 270. That's 168 miles per hour. 271. So every point I is 0.1 second because it's 10 hertz. I can see every 0.1 second speed. Oh, it should be this 273. $274. Here you can see it is still accelerates. 275, 276, 7. Now remember this time 58, only 3 seconds from the speed 250. 278. Here you can see this time 59. 59. And it lasts for long. Goes down 277. Wow, it go back again. Do you know why? Because he used a factory custom mamba Monster X. He didn't even change the voltage cutoff because his USB adapter broke. So he just want to try just a shakedown, and so he broke the world fastest record. So crazy. Now when the amperage is going up, the speed is 278. Always 278. Oh, from here the speed goes down. I think maybe he broke his car. Yes, he broke his car. The speed is going down. It's going down. Here you can see the Skyrc 015. He gave the max speed is 278.85 kilometers per hour. Now here is all weigh 1.69 kilograms. So you divide it to 2, it may be longer than 80 meters. Yes, from the start to the end, 80 meters. So now let's see the Google Maps. Unfortunately, when I imported the file to Google Earth Pro, it only showed the 1 second speed point, not 0.1 second speed, but I think it's enough. Now let's see the fastest speed point. Now here, 3 50 minutes, 40 minutes, 58, 59. This is 273.27 kilometers per hour. This is 277, 278. So 59. Where is the 59? Sorry, I think maybe here. Oh, here, 59. You can see 277. And this is 278 kilometers. So now let's test the distance between this here to here. Now let's use Google Earth Pro. Let's test it here to here. This may be 76 meters. Now let's test it. 76 meters. It should be 273 kilometers per hour. This is, I think this is 270. I think this is just a little bit lower than the 277. Maybe the Google Earth or the distance I calculate. So close. Now here is the data of the car. Here you can see. I think this is, let's see, zoom it. Here you can see the voltage cut off. He didn't change it because his USB adapter broke. So, and he even hit the temperature cut off. Sorry, I changed to Fahrenheit so you may be familiar. Now let's see the voltage. The voltage 33.4 volts when before he ran. Oh, the max is 33.6 watts. Now let's see. This time when he accelerates 773.8 seconds. Here you can see the full throttle is here 785 seconds. 85 minus 73. He even used more than 10 seconds from 0 to the fourth throttle. So he accelerated is so slowly, so smooth. The max dribble is 1.42 because he used. I recommend him before the 4 Nichkin 4070 mu f caps. Sorry. Now let's see the current line. His custom mamba Monster X only shows here can show 376.8 amps. You can see the full throttle is about 3.2 seconds. Full throttle. Now let's see the voltage. When the full throttle, the voltage may be lower than the 25.93 watts, but this is the voltage cutoff. The voltage goes down, and the amperage here must goes down. This goes up. Voltage cut 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now here you can see the RPM. You can see this RPM is close to the perfect 50,000 RPMs. So perfect. When your motors run at this RPMs, you will find the most power and the most efficiency. Faster. Now you can see the temperature before it run. It was 105 Fahrenheit. After it you can see the max is 220. So crazy. So that's why he runs so fast. Here you can see exclusive temperature detected. He even hit the temperature protected. By the way, I don't know why some people say that because of Mamba Monster X8S, the max amperage is 400 amps. Now let's see some data interesting. Here you can see this is my another friend who run his custom Mamba Monster X8S. Now you can see here the max amperage is 425 amps. So crazy, this number. You can see. One second. This is the highest amperage I ever see from Castle. So crazy. So that's why I think the Castle Mamba Mouse X is stronger than the Castle XLX. Some of my friends, his Castle XLs always hit the amperage protect. So I think the amperage protect maybe 40 amperage. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, and next time I will show you more about the speedrun secret.